Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we will discuss how to access funds earned through Credit Karma in your Cash App account. While these are separate services, there's a way to make your Credit Karma earnings usable in Cash App. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. And transferring your Credit Karma in Cash App will be done by going first to the web browser of your choice. I'm using a Google Chrome right now, but creditkarma.com and cashup.com is compatible to any type of browsers. If you're using Brave, Safari, Firefox, do not worry, it'll open. Once you are in the homepage, you need to sign up if you don't have an account yet. And then log in using your credentials. So, I just wanted to make a short disclaimer that there isn't a direct way to transfer your funds from Credit Karma to Cash App because these platforms serve different purposes. However, if you have earned money through Credit Karma and want to access it in Cash App, you might need to go through a process similar to it, right? Okay, so first off, you go and open your Cash App, and then you hover down to the bottom below. Okay, there's the option where you can copy your routing number and your savings account number. Copy that and then go to the Credit Karma because you will need that to enter and link it. All right, you would need to link the bank account to Credit Karma if you haven't already. This is where your funds will be transferred, and just specify the amount you want to transfer and select your linked bank account as the destination, which is the routing. You've copied the routing account number in your Cash App. So Credit Karma will process the withdrawal with your earnings now in your linked bank account. You can access them in your Cash App and open the Cash App, add your bank account, and you're ready to make payments, send money, or withdraw the funds. All right, that's it. That's how you make Credit Karma earnings accessible in Cash App. Remember, while they're separate services, that process will allow you to use your funds more flexibly. And if you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.